So today we're putting matches in the microwave.
That's right, we're going to put some matches in the microwave. Don't try this at home, kids.
Yep. And yes, Cash is gone, so there is no real kids here. And Daddy's lost his wee beard. It's now tiny.
Thanks, Don't I look a lot younger, Jackson?
The wee thing's tiny, and you look less scary.
Oh, thank you. 3, 2, 1!
Welcome to Watch Jackson.
Okay, so the last time we done the microwave challenge, we blew Coke up in the microwave. Do you remember that, Jackson?
Yes,
You're looking weird. And we killed the microwave. We will be doing an episode on the burial of the microwave, but that'll be coming up later on in the coming weeks. So that means we've got a brand new microwave. Give me a drum roll, Jackson. Bang! Oh! Yeah! I like it. It's cream. I would have liked white. Thanks, Alta. But anyway, okay, so. Yeah, you were there. Oh, sorry. That's right, teleportation person. They should have brought it in white. So the last time I cut off this mesh, this time, let's turn it around. I've done a couple of nice wee holes in the back for the camera to go in. Alright, let's get it set up. So it's time for the matches. Mommy! 1, 2, and the implement of doom. Let's see, Jackson. So this is a wee device that I made earlier. So what I'll do, will we put one in, not lit first, for a minute, see what happens? Here it is, going in. Okay, let's put it on to high. Okay, and see what happens.
I can't even see.
Are we okay that side? Don't be sticking your head in.
Why?
We have two chances. Oh, I actually put it on. Oh! Woo! Hold it! Look at that, Jackson!
Whoa! That lights the whole thing up in two.
Jackson, energetic, isn't it? You see the ball? Do you see the ball of fire?
I'm not going to blow out the back. I'm so scared.
Whoa! Do you see the ball of fire, Jax?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to open it.
Don't.
Whoa! Oh, did you see that?
That was pretty exciting for just a match in the microwave.
That was pretty good, Jax, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So, you can see there, the microwave is actually energizing the little flame on the match and creating a big fireball.
Yeah.
But will we try and capture the fireball?
Wow.
Mommy, give me the thing. We're going to use a jam jar, place it over the top like so. Hopefully that...
That'll just make sure there's no air and it won't work.
That's right, not enough oxygen. Maybe we'll use the smaller match for this one. Put it in the middle there. Actually, I'll take them a little bit out. Okay. So the match is lit. I've it set at 1 minute. I'm going to put that on top, and here we go.
There's going to be no oxygen.
No, I
It went out the second.
I went out as soon as I put it on. I think you're right, Jackson. So what do we do? Okay, I've got them set. Here we go, here we go. Is it still lit?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's still lit, Jackson, look. Oh. Is it creating the ball of fire?
It's doing something.
It's flickering. Go on. Is it went out? Kind of flickering a bit. Is it starting great?
No, it's still a little bit light. It's strange. It's little random bits of light.
Oh,
It's lighting again.
I think it's out. Okay, we'll go again. Look. Hello. How many matches?
1, 2, 3, 4.
So we've got 4 matches, okay? I'm going to set them in there. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, look, Jackson.
Oh my gosh. It's gonna work. No way.
Do we see the ball of flame on it as a movement?
There's so much smoke in it. I think it's going to explode.
The heat of it should actually, the temperature...
It's going to shoot out the back. There's smoke coming out the back in front of the camera.
There should be...
The GoPro's going to melt.
The temperature of that should be quite high.
So what?
Possibly
it's
could.
like we've created a storm.
Oh, we put it. Oh, I turned it.
It's still going.
Put it on for a minute, but we keep it going, see what happens.
Yeah.
It's gonna blow up.
Daddy,
Guys,
Daddy,
take shelter.
It's obviously still lit. The flames are quite bad.
Oh my god, there's so much.
Oh yeah, I think we maybe should stop it. Yeah?
There's so much more.
I would say it's going to be really hot. Whoa!
Whoa, it's like barf.
Okay, I'll bring the camera
Whoa,
in.
looks
See
so
what it looks like.
Whoa, looks weird.
Will we knock it over, Jax?
Yeah.
Oh. We blew it out. Well, Jackson, what do you think of that? That was pretty cool. Don't put matches into the microwave. Look, it's not a good idea. Look at the state of that. You'll be grounded for a week, okay?
And here's a picture of what it looked like the jar when we started. Ping!
I ain't doing that. Okay, Jackson, tell the people outside, hello. Tell the people at home what to do.
Like, subscribe, comment down below what else you want us to put in the microwave. Bye!
See ya!
Hit the notification bell so you get notified when we post a new video. Bye!
Bye! You say bye this time, yeah? Bye!
What else do you want us to put in the microwave?
There you go.
That's good.
Okay, bye!
Bye!
Bye!